Okay, now let's start with our primary forms, like actually blocking out the basic shapes. I'm not too concerned about the details. Again, now I have my reference on the side. If you're wondering how I achieve this, I'm using PureRef. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this. So it's completely free. Just download PureRef and just drag your images over here, and then you have that. So I haven't been saving this project, so then I just want to show you guys how to save. Just click over here, save, and then our old mail, just naming it normal face, nothing important, and then just put on just anatomy and then save. Now we have our project saved successfully, so if you want to open it again, you can. Again, I'm Adrian from SAanatomy.com. Welcome to this lecture where we're sculpting a realistic face, anatomically correct. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, where we focus mainly on anatomy digital sculpting, mainly in ZBrush and ZBrush Core, ZBrush Core Mini, and Blender tutorials coming along also. So let's start with this blocking out over here. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab my snake hook. I'm going to try something. I'm going to drag the neck with the snake hook, S to increase that. It's a bit too hard. I'm just going to drag like so. Okay, like so. And then just picking that up. Just drag it in the center. Okay, let's see. And you can grab the move brush also if you wanna. Just smooth that out. Just gonna move that. So increase the draw size. So I'm just building this neck and this and the shoulders. Very rough now. And again, don't forget to check all angles that you can see. Just so we can get a bit of definition going on. Nothing too crazy. Like really nothing too crazy. Just so you can get a bit of structure, and then just gonna pull this. This can be tedious sometimes. The old man, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, cool. What I can do now is check the wireframe and smooth this. You can see what it does. It creates those big polygons, triangles if I may say, just so you can get an even distribution. Just hold down Shift on your keyboard, you can smooth out. Okay, Shift F to highlight. I'm gonna start, play with a brush. So this way the fun part begins. So we have that. Anyone knows? So hold on Alt to reverse. Just gonna zoom in. Just gonna come in there. So bring that in. Not too much. Again, press F to frame. Got lost. Then come in. Alt. Bring that in. The nose area can be sometimes complicated, but then with a lot of practice and studying your anatomy, you can kind of get the shapes going on. Grab your move. Just gonna fix this. And then I'm just gonna grab the tip of the brush. And then we'll come in like so. Coming in. Like so. Let's just save the project. Use Ctrl S. Yes. Replace. Basic nose structure. Nothing too precise, as we're not doing any likeness or anything. It's just a guidance for us to know, because it's very important to have reference in anything you do. So I'm coming with my marker. Take that in. Just do a basic opening. Let me see. Hold on Alt. Just take that in. Again, nothing too precise. We're still gonna close that. Just build that up. Basic face, and then I'm gonna come in with my zoom in over here. You can see. So we want these primary forms. Don't be caught up with the details as yet. Just grab a new brush and fix this. So this is why I encourage you guys to work with very, very low resolution details at this stage. As you can see, we have a lot of control because we haven't subdivided. We using 100,000 polygons. So I'm just gonna come in now. That's really basic lips. And then see the top lip overlapping here, and then the bottom lip. Building that up. This can confuse a lot of people, so again, it takes a lot of practice and to get this right. And see, hold on Alt. If I moved in very, very strong with the brush, and I'll just dig in with the Alt option keyboard. So supposed to get that basic come in, building those, enable fold. This is an old guy, so what's gonna happen? Come in. So in most of my tutorials and my courses, I always advise you guys to spend a lot of time with the primary forms. That's why we're going to have part 1 and part 2 at this, because this is very crucial for our sculpt before we move into the secondary forms and those fine details. So yeah, so just spend a lot of time at that. Trapezes. Yeah, it won't be too pronounced. This is an old man. There we are. And then I'm gonna grab the ears will be probably more brush. Ears, take that in. Again, look very closely at your reference. There's tons of reference ears online. I'm just doing a basic structure now. Nothing too pronounced. I'm gonna come in with the clay butter brush. Just gonna dig that in like so. Just gonna dig that in like so. Look on the top view. Starting to make a bit of sense. Okay, we're gonna come back once. Now let's do the eyes. Also very crucial. I'm not too obsessed about the fine details at this stage. Just looking at how everything is laying out on top of the cheekbone and all the fat. Just gonna do this. Just gonna come in again. I'm still using symmetry. So for faster process, but again, you would want to turn off symmetry at this stage. symmetrical. But for the case of this tutorial, for this course, we're gonna keep symmetry turned on. Come in. And from there, grab a new brush. Make sure we control everything. So everything is still basic at this stage. You have to consider at the back, as this is just a face sculpt. What I'm going to do, I'm happy about this going on here. Maybe I'll just trim that. Just trim this down. This is not too important, just for you to display everything with, to make everything nice, like it's a bust, but it's not important. So just trim that out like so. So if you drag this to this line over here, it kind of serves as your guide. So I'm gonna grab this edge, make sure it's lying down flat. Again, this is not important. I'm just concerned about presentation. Like in art, presentation is very important also. Again, this is a long lecture now, so this is going to be divided into two parts. The primary forms are divided into two parts, as they're very complex. So yeah, so I'm gonna end this lecture right now, and just stay tuned. Stay tuned for our next class. Just meaning that I'm just being picky, that's all. Guys don't need to worry about this, as it's not important at this stage. You can come back, fix the nose if you wanna. That's a bit flat. And your ears, make sure your measurement is correct. Yeah, like so. I think we're getting there. So yeah, again, I'm gonna end this for now, and I'll see you guys on the next lecture.